Wuxi Juntang Fanghu Alloying Casting Company Limited is located in Wuxi, a national historical and cultural city in the south of Yangtze River and north of Taihu Lake. The company was founded in 2006. It's a professional manufacturer of heat-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and wear-resistant steel products. The main process includes precision casting and centrifugal casting. In June 2012, the company obtained import and export license and cooperated with many world-renowned factories. By 2023, the company's total sales reached $16.7 million, an increase of 20% each year in the past 5 years. In 2023, for export business, the company's self-operated export sales totaled $7.2 million. The Foreign Trade Corporation's export sales totaled $3.3 million. The whole export sales account for 63% of the total annual sales. For domestic business, foreign invested sales totaled $2.5 million. Domestic sales totaled $3.7 million. Nowadays, the company's products are exported to Germany, France, Spain, Britain, Italy, Hungary, Austria, Poland, Turkey, Romania, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, Japan, South Korea, India, Pakistan, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, Australia, New Zealand. The advanced technology and the spirit of exploration and innovation are the cornerstones of the development of Fanghu casting. The precision casting process can produce heat-resistant steel parts as heat treatment fixture, fan blades, furnace rails, etc. The centrifugal casting process can produce various centrifugal casting tubes with a diameter of 50 to 1000 millimeters and a length of 5500 millimeters. The main products are radiant tube, heating furnace roller, glass roller, seeking roller, and other products. Fanghu Casting provides supporting services for many world-renowned heat treatment manufacturers, designs and optimizes fixture programs, and provides more reasonable and more economical products for different customers. In December 2014, Wuxi Juntang Fanghu Alloy Technology Company Limited was established, focusing on the design and development of heat treatment fixture. In June 2016, Wuxi Business Testing Technology Company Limited was established, focusing on the developing and the testing of alloy materials. In 2018, it passed the international CMAS and CMA certification to provide professional third-party material testing. The driving force for Fanghu casting development is the lean management and continuous improvement of process. Company continues to develop towards mechanization, automation, large-scale and sustainable, and constantly introduced automated equipment such as professional material testing and analysis equipment is installed. In 2018, the company added environmental protection equipment worth more than 1 million yuan and arranged equipment maintenance according to the production characteristics to create a safe, environmentally friendly, high-efficiency, and sustainable working place. Fanghu Casting always pursues the perfect details and excellent quality with first-class management and a first-class team, achieves first-class quality. In 2011, the company established and passed the ISO 9001 quality system under the on-site guidance and audit by customers at home and abroad. The quality system is increasingly perfect. The heat treatment fixtures are designed and drawn by CAD and UG. The cast pouring process is simulated and controlled by Ant Casting. The stress simulation analysis is carried out by Abacus. On this basis, we determine the perfect casting process, implement the tracking control of the whole process, and establish the production process file of each product. Details determine success or failure, and good quality wins the market. Fanhu Casting always adheres to the concept that quality is the core competitiveness. To attention to the details, to see big things through small ones, to be able to stand up, also adheres to build the brand with quality. Then the enterprise development can be long-term, people-oriented, and cooperation for mutual benefit. Fanhu Casting careers go step by step and make a solid forward. The customer's demand is our demand, and the customer's satisfaction is our goal. At present, the company has maintained good cooperation with many well-known equipment manufacturers and heat treatment processing companies, such as Epson, Ashland, Fengdong, Dongwu, Bodycote, BYD, etc. We have been working together for many years and get the honor of excellent supplier for many different customers, and also won the Industry Quality Control Award honor. Integrity casting quality, only the cooperation of good faith. There is a mutual benefit and a win-win. We insist on working with customer hand in hand and create a better future together.
方福铸业为您提供更专业的解决方案，致力于成为铸造、热处理行业的优秀供应商。